I'm the convener of Lawyers in Defense of Democracy. And of course, you see me here, my colleagues, members of Lawyers in Defense of Democracy. We are always on the alert, and we've done so much in defense of this democracy, and will continue to defend this democracy within the ambits of the rule of law. That is our watchword. We are here today because while I was in my sitting room yesterday, Sunday, I tuned to the television and I watched a live media broadcast by a group that alleged that there was going to be a black market expert ruling to be delivered by Honorable Justice Okorowo today, being Monday, the 18th of December 2022, and that they intercepted the judgment, the ruling that was to be delivered today, and that application was filed on Wednesday, 13th of December. I know the administration of the Federal High Court, the process of filing matters, how it got to Okorowo between Wednesday and Friday, and how ruling was to be delivered today. So I saw it on the screen, on the television, like every other Nigerian. And quickly, Lawyers in Defense of Democracy, we spoke to each other on phone and agreed to be here on Monday because we are watching democracy and we continue to watch democracy. But then one interesting thing I want to now broker to the press is that there's a twist to what the NGO said yesterday. The registrar of that court has confirmed that such an application was filed and that such application was before their court. But however, he now added the twist. He said that the ruling was already delivered on Friday, that same day. He said the ruling was already delivered. So what is the urgency? Why would such an application be filed on Wednesday, got to Okorowo on Friday, you sat on it on Friday, deliver ruling on Friday? The registrar of that court told me that the ruling has already been delivered, that what was on the news is wrong, that what we heard that they were going to deliver ruling today, Monday, 18 December, that rather they delivered the ruling on Friday. So which is a twist, which is why now, and he now asks us that if we have interest in the matter, that we should apply for CTC of what was delivered. And we have already filed an application for CTC and paid, that we are asking for the certified true copy of what happened on Friday. And we'll pursue it to a logical conclusion. And we're now calling on the seizure of this honorable court. This Nigeria cannot be taken by politicians into their pocket. This is not Federal High Court of Wike. If Wike has pocketed Rivers State, if Wike has pocketed the president, as Asari Dokubo's sister said, it's all over the social media, it's all over the news. If he has pocketed the chief of staff, pocketed the President Tinubu, he has pocketed Rivers State, he cannot pocket Federal High Court. Federal High Court has reputation. Federal High Court has reputation. This kind of application is often seen at the FCT High Court. You can see this kind of frivolous market, black market application at the FCT High Court. You really see it at the Federal High Court. So far as I know, the Federal High Court still has reputation in Nigeria. And that is why the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court must look into the process of how this thing was filed, how it got to Okorowo's court, and how Okorowo claimed, like the registrar, Okorowo's registrar, Court 8 registrar, claimed that they sat on Friday and that they delivered rule on Friday. Whereas what the NGO alerted us yesterday in the live broadcast was that the ruling was going to be delivered today. It called for urgent, thorough investigation, and we are challenging the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court to maintain the integrity of the Federal High Court. We are calling on the NJC to look into this matter critically. Democracy must be sustained in this country. Democracy must be firmly rooted in Nigeria. And as long as in the process of democracy, this is not the first time we are intervening in issues like this when there are illegalities coming up. Now the issue is that these people that have come to fight this application, as we are talking, they are not members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. In the eyes of the law, the Rivers State House of Assembly has invoked the constitutional provisions, Section 109, subsection 1G. And they have invoked it. It's a completed act. And there is an order of Rivers State High Court that has restrained these former members of the former speaker, what's his name again? Honorable Martin. and his former members and his former colleagues from parading themselves, from forcefully gaining entrance into the River State House of Assembly complex. So, and the only thing they have to do if they believe in rule of law is to go to court, appeal the ruling, appeal the procedure that suspended you. Let us know whether Wike will also go overnight and expunge Section 109, subsection 1G of the 1999 Constitution. Let him go and expunge it. We now know that we are a Republic of Wike. We now know that we are a Republic of, we now know that we are before the Federal High Court of Wike. Let him go overnight, go to National Assembly and expunge Section 109, subsection 1G of the Constitution, so that to bereave the members of the River State House Assembly the power to invoke that section of the Constitution. They have already invoked it. So in the eyes of the law, these people, Honorable Martin and his colleagues, they are former members of the River State House Assembly, and they should go to court, not to subtly come to a court of coordinate jurisdiction. The River State High Court and Federal High Court are courts of coordinate jurisdiction. You don't come to court of coordinate jurisdiction to get your own black market order to begin to parade yourself as a member of the House of Assembly when the deed has been done. And they have already notified the chairman of Independent National Electoral Commission that they have suspended these people. They have done the act. The only thing you do is to go to court and challenge what they have done. Not to come here to look for a black market application, to bring the judiciary to disrepute. We can't be doing that. We can't be bringing judiciary. We can't be making mockery of democracy. We can't be making mockery of the judiciary. So we are advising Wike and his boys, go to court. Go to court and appeal what they have done. Go and appeal. No, the court I'm referring is appeal court. River State High Court and Federal High Court are court of coordinate jurisdiction, equal power. They are all high courts. Go on appeal, challenge the procedure that suspended you, and if possible, tell your peer master, Wike, to expunge Section 109, subsection 1G of the 1999 Constitution. We will clap for him. If he can do that, we will now tell the members that the only 4 members that are constitutionally recognized as members of River State House Assembly, they have the legitimacy because these members are courageous enough to invoke the constitutional provision, and they have done the act, they have notified INEC. So as far as I'm concerned, these people are no longer members of the House of Assembly. The only thing they have is the right to go to court and challenge the ruling of River State High Court. Go to court and challenge the procedure that suspended you. And then, if we can think this is Federal High Court of Wike, let him also be National Assembly of Wike. Let him overnight go and tell the Senate and the House of Representatives to expunge Section 109, subsection 1G of the Constitution. We'll clap for them. But as far as we are concerned in this country, democracy must be entrenched. Rule of law must prevail. That is why we are here. Thank you so much.